Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another cute little radio from Jeff's collection. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. This is a Nuvox solid state AM radio model NV-71. I had to get my glasses on. And it's basically new, although it's an old radio. The box is in perfect condition. It even has the original warranty or service request card. Let's show it to you. There it is. Bring it up close here. Interesting dial here. There's a carrying strap, AM only, so there's no telescopic antenna. There's the on-off volume and the earbud jack, earphone jack, and the tuning knob. Uses a 9-volt battery. Perfect condition. See what it sounds like. This is AM only. Tune it in here. Just a bit tinny.
Time to get our degenerate action on with a little over-under next. Every Friday for Football Friday. Email. I'd like to email every...
Pulls in a couple of stations here in my office.
Oh, yeah.
Tuning is pretty smooth.
And in other parts, they say if you have rain and snow, then winter will end.
That's about it. That's all I can say about it. Jeff's got some really interesting radios. And I've got a surprise for you, is that I talked to Jeff via chat this weekend, and from time to time he sent me pictures of his a portion of his radio collections. And he's been setting up a room for his radios, and he's got a lot of them. And I asked him if he would send me some pictures now that he's got it pretty well set up so that I could show you all his radios. And he has agreed to do that. And I have the pictures, and I'm going to put them together in a video and show you his collection. You'll recognize a lot of the radios that he has already brought me to review. And I think it's going to be really interesting. And he's still collecting it. And I have decided to start giving some of my radios to Jeff for all the support he has given to my channel with loaning me his radios. Because I've got too many radios. I'm running out of room. I've got to cut back. So that is something coming up in the next couple of shows. Have a great day. Bye-bye.